Apologies for the background noise, but I've got an active one here. So tonight's film is about a wine I bottled 3 years ago in 2022. A strong wine at 14%, mixed berry red wine it says. It's actually a rosé, it's not really a red wine. This was fruit juice from concentrate in cartons, or berry juice, mixed berry juice, which I bought in Staffordshire just at the end of the COVID pandemic as far as I can remember. This was bottled in 2022 using the old labels I used to use. Gosh, I mean, it's been a long time since I've used those labels. It's 14% and this is my very, very last bottle. It's now 2025 and it's the 20th of July 2025, my birthday. It's 3 years old, so what a better way to celebrate my birthday than opening it and tasting it and seeing what it's like. What do you reckon? You on board with this? Yeah, let's do it. So while I'm talking, obviously we're going to get gurgle, 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 but that's fine. It just shows you how productive the kitchen is. So I'm going to go through the shrink wrap at the top. And this is before I started to use proper wine corks. So this is a reusable cork bung. Hopefully it's done its job. So that comes off first. Right, I need a tea towel, I think, or just a general towel, just a grip and pull. Yeah. Oh, oh. It smelled like sherry. Now this is 14% ABV, so the fact that it smelled like sherry is not a surprise or a shock. It smells very fortified. Okay, so let's get this into the wine glass. So that was syrupy as anything. So what I want to do is just have a look at that for a second. So it's a beautiful dark rose colour. It is red wine almost in the colour, but I know that the way that this has been made, that it's a rosé. It's a dark rosé. Right, I'm going to have a big sniff. I mean, it smells delicious. You want to get all of that in your lungs, it's really good. Wow. I mean, it's sweet, it's fruity, it's sherry, there's marmalade, there's all sorts going on in this. This is really, really, really decent. Okay, let's see what the taste is like after 3 years. It does not taste 14%. It tastes like an easily drinkable 11% red, which has been served too cold. Interesting. I didn't make this as a red, it is a rosé in my eyes, but the smell and the flavour is incredible. It's like a sherry with discipline. There's something there which is a bit like whoosh. Not in a bad way, in a pleasurable way. I mean, this is actually, bloody hell, this is good. Mixed berry red wine. So I need to cast my mind back to that carton of fruit juice, or the cartons of fruit juice that went into this. But it's very, very good. I've obviously made it as a fortified wine. I've put extra sugar in when I've made this. It's been so long ago, I actually can't remember. And I'm making this as an opening and tasting. Maybe I should have gone back through the archives and watched the making it film, but I thought no, because I don't want to taint the experience of today by like saying, oh well, it should taste like this because of. So what I've done is I've gone into this raw, This is something which is quite incredible. It's lovely and it's also quite intimidating. It's got a strong flavour that you don't want to mess with. I certainly wouldn't want to have more than what I'm drinking right now. It's I can't help but wonder if over the years that 14% has gone up, because it does taste like something quite industrial. It's syrupy, very syrupy. What I will say is that it's not a disappointment. It's just blooming strong. So yeah, 3 years in the bottle. It's not got worse, it's definitely got better. And to a point where it's intimidating. And I don't say that about my drinks very often, but yeah, wow. This one could bully me. I need to be very careful with it. So, cheers folks. It's been a great brew. Have a look back. Mixed berry red wine. It was bottled on the 20th of July 2022. This is 3 years later. And wow, it's the boss. I'm just doing as I'm told. So cheers folks. Hope you've enjoyed the film. It's been a short one, but it's been different for you. I'll catch you on the next one, whatever that may be.